Now in that third main, find the product of first question is a square into 2a to the power 22 into 4a to the power 26. How to solve? Here a square monomial, this is also monomial, this is also monomial. Multiplication of monomial here. So here no numbers means 1 is there, here 2 and 4. The first step is multiply the numbers, numerals, then separately multiply the literals or exponent. Now here no numbers means 1 is there, 1 into here 2 second term, bracket means multiplication, and product house means also multiplying 4. Now a square into a square means 1 is there, 1 into 2 into 4 each numbers over. Now into bracket means into. Now here a square into a to the power 22 into a to the power 26. Answer is now 1 2s are 2, multiply 1 2s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now a to the power, bracket means multiplication, so a to the power. Now add the power, in exponent means power is multiplication, no need to multiply, 2 into 22 into 26. For a multiplication of exponent means add the power, 2 plus 22 plus 26, 2 plus 22 plus 2 plus 26. Answer is 8 a to the power 8 a to the power 2 plus 22 is how much? 24. 24 plus 20 means 24 plus 20 44, 44 plus 6 50, a to the power 50. Answer is 8 a to the power 50. Now in that third main, second question, 2 by 3 xy into minus 9 by 10 x square y square, fraction numbers are given. So first step is first separate the constant and separate the variables, means separate the numbers and separate the letters. 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10, then separate the xy into, multiply xy and x square y square separately. So numbers first of fraction he given, so equal 2 by 3 into next numbers minus 9 by 10. So here fraction is given 2 by 3 into 9 minus 9 by 10 numbers. Now letters, xy into product, so xy into x square y square, next term x square y square, 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. Then letters. Now next group is xy into x square y square. Now here 2 by 3 into minus 9 by 10. So here fraction we can cancel the, reduce the value or cancel the fraction. So 2 and 10 both will multiply with the same table, and 3 and 9 we can multiply with the same table. One rule, you should not cancel the numeral into numeral and numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So here above the line is numerator, below the line is denominator. So 2 is numerator, 9 also numerator, then 3 and 10 are denominator. While cancellation up and down, first floor 2 ones are and down floor 2 5s are. You should not cancel new same place, means numerator into numerator you should not cancel, numerator and denominator up and down. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10 over, then 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, then 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now answer 1 into 3 is 3, minus symbol is there, minus 3 by 1 into 5 is 5. Reducing the value, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 3 ones are and 3 3s. Up and down you have to cancel. Okay, then xy into x square y square, like terms are there. So x to the power, known power means here 1 is there, here also 1 is there. So x to the power 1 plus 2, x to the power 1 plus 2 into y to the power 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2. Multiplying the like terms, means x into x square, y into y square. We can write directly x into x square is x cube, because 1 plus 2 is 3. Then y into y square, y cube. We can write directly. So answer is minus 3 by 5 x to the power 1 plus 2 is 3 and y to the power 1 plus 2 is 3. Answer is minus 3 by 5 x cube y cube. In this third and fourth is homework. Multiplication of find the product means multiplication. So first separate and make it two groups. Minus 10 by 3 into 6 by 5. Then p cube into p cube. Then multiply the fraction and multiply the letters or exponent. Then next fourth one, x into x square, x cube, x to the power 4. So all are like term. Just you have to write x and write the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, then add the power. Now in this, now fourth one, simplify 3x bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value. 4x equal 3 and x equal 1 by 2.